Hi guys, in front of me is Apple iPhone, and let me show you how to track your flight on this device. So if you are flying somewhere, just open new message and send your flight number. Here it is. Now smoothly send it. And then whenever you will tap on the send message here for a bit longer, you will be able to track your flight. You can preview it, you can also copy flight code. If you will preview it, you will be able to check all details. And then you can also check some further info via notes. So just open the notes, create a new one, enter this flight code, and now just mark it. Go to next and click on lookup. And here you've got all info. If you'll tap on it, you will see all details again. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.